Hey everybody, it's me, Hollis. So today I'm doing something a little different, more vloggy style, I guess, kind of going over what I'm doing on my weekend. I also, in addition to doing art, I also co-own a small business that of course is kind of closed at the moment. So I've been doing a couple hours a day at the shop, processing orders, online orders, and doing local deliveries and things like that. And I'll link to that website below at some point. But I did just get all of my artwork back from my show that I had back in March. So I have that, and I'm working on processing all that today, getting it back uploaded on my website, making sure I'm getting pictures and scans of things so I can get prints of things in the future, and also just like getting my originals up on my website and trying to get a good count of all the art cards I have left and figuring out different ways of listing those on my website as well. So kind of a thing. This is one of my paintings that I got back. I've got a bunch of them down here. Might do like a little digital art show tour maybe for folks that couldn't make it to the show because it was here in town. It's my lovely desk setup. I have a printer for printing documents and scanning because that one doesn't print. And eventually I'll get something better. This is a really old desktop. I do have a laptop I do a lot of my stuff on, but this little office right now. Other things I'm working on today is going to be filming some tutorials, and I'm also working on some sketches for a handful of pet portraits that I've been commissioned to do, so I'm kind of getting those done. Oddly enough, I've had a hard time focusing lately. I can't imagine why. But I finally feel like I have a little bit of mental headspace and clarity so I can do that. But I'm just gonna film me working on some stuff today. I know I'll have to go to the shop later today to process a couple orders. It is Saturday here. It's a beautiful sunny day where I'm at, so I might go walk my dog later too. But yeah, it's just kind of vloggy and all that jazz, so see you in a bit. nice and good, otherwise we let her off leash. But she likes to chase things in the woods. The wrong way. So come here. No. She's gonna follow you around again.
This is funny.
More or less, but not quite. Good enough. Basically, we made nachos for dinner. Now we're just hanging out. I'm watching YouTube and playing The Sims, and our dog is tired from our walk. Good Saturday. Oh, we also did lights on our bookshelf. So that's cool. One side's a little wonky because the cable from the TV keeps bumping it, so I need to fix that, but that's an easy fix. Yeah.